Welcome back. Now in this video tutorial we are going to be exploring another site in order to create beautiful AI images for our projects, for ourselves, for individuals, for businesses, and for brands. So I'm going to type Bing AI image generator. Bing AI image generator. Okay, that's what I'm going to type on the on my Google Chrome. Okay, so and I'm going to select the first one, which is Bing. I'll click on it. So it's going to take me here. All right, now every day you usually have about 15 prompts. 15 points. That is, you can create 15 different images every day. You're always given 15 chances to create whatever you want every day. Okay, so now what you now need to do is actually I think you have to sign up. I have actually signed up, so and then if you don't want to sign up, it's fine. Okay, so what you just need to do is to come to this place, and then you will now put in your prompt. So just like the other one, you have to be very, very descriptive and imaginative. So I want to create I want to promote my graphic design course, so I can just type in something like this. So look at it, a picture of a beautiful young Nigerian light-skinned lady wearing a white top upon which advanced graphic design is written in green, and leading others on a marketing campaign, sharing flyers to people around the market in an excited mood, others following her with flyers in their hands. Do you see how descriptive I am with this prompt? I explained everything the way I want it to occur, the way I want it in my image. So then I will now click on create. So you give it time for it. You can see that my 15 point has reduced to 14. That's reduced to 14 here. So that's where your point is, because it's trying to help me generate one. So look at this now. So this is what it has generated for me. So let me look at it. So let me tap the first one here. Wow. So this is the lady who is leading, and then sharing flyer and all that. So to save this, what I need to do is to long press it, and then I will now click on download image. So let me go and see the downloaded image. You see now? This is beautiful. So this is, I can use it for my promotional, for promoting my course on advanced graphic design. I can use this image. Do you see that? So people can contact you to help them create some sort of images for their businesses, for their brand, and then you charge them and then within 2 minutes you are done with their work. So this is why this particular skill is very important, and everyone needs this. Everyone. All right. So that will be all on this one.